Watch this video to see how easy it is to install your dual battery isolator. Carefully unplug your vehicle's main battery. Install the auxiliary battery next to the main battery. Detach the lower mounted plate of the isolator and use it to mark the 4 isolator drill hole points on the vehicle's body. Drill holes at the marked points. Attach the isolator's plate to the vehicle body using 2 19mm screws. Using plier cutters, cut the 6 feet long red cable into 2 separate cables, 24-inch long and 12-inch in length. Strip 15 to 20 millimeters from both ends of the cut red wires. Place a heat shrink on the red sheathing over one end of the exposed copper wire. Attach a crimp lug to the exposed copper wire. Pull the heat shrink up so that it covers the crimp lug and exposed copper wire. Heat and shrink the tubing over the exposed wire and crimp the lug. Note that no copper wire should be visible or exposed when done correctly. Repeat step 8 for each exposed copper wire end. Crimp the insulated blue ring securely to the end of the isolator's ground cable and ground it to a bare metal spot on the vehicle's body using a screw or bolt. Test the wires to make sure all the connections are secure. Punch out the holes at the bottom of the isolator body to create a clean and organized installation. Attach the 24-inch red cable to the red-marked isolator bolt. Attach the 12-inch red cable to the other isolator bolt. Attach the isolator to the vehicle's body by aligning the isolator with the bottom isolator plate and mounting the isolator to the isolator bottom plate and vehicle using 2 38mm screws. Attach the other end of the 12-inch red cable to the positive terminal of the auxiliary battery. Attach the other end of the 24-inch red cable along with the vehicle's positive wire to the positive terminal of the main battery. Attach the 12-inch black cable to the negative terminal of the auxiliary battery and its other end along with the vehicle's negative wire to the negative terminal of the main battery. After this last connection, the LED light should turn red. The red light will then turn off, indicating the isolator is now protecting the secondary battery. Check ground connection. Take a voltmeter and attach its probes to the positive and negative terminals of the auxiliary battery, and note the reading on the voltmeter. Remove the probe attached to the battery's negative terminal and connect it to the ground wire. Note the second reading. Both readings should match to ensure the connection is properly grounded.